Hi, Todd and Andre here from the Hilton Home Team.
Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest real estate insights for Sudbury and Manitoulin Island.
Now, today we're talking about how small home improvements can significantly boost your property's value. Whether you're planning to sell or just want to enhance your space.
Many buyers today are looking for move-in ready homes, and with just a few smart updates, you can increase appeal and maximize your return. Let's dive in.
Now, first impressions matter. Boosting curb appeal is one of the easiest ways to increase your home's value. A fresh coat of paint, a modern front door, and some simple landscaping can make an absolutely huge difference.
Next up, the kitchen. A full renovation can be costly, but small changes go a long way. Upgrading cabinet handles, installing stylish light fixtures, adding a fresh coat of paint can transform this space.
And don't forget energy efficient appliances. Buyers love features that help them save on their Northern Ontario utility bills.
Outdated bathrooms can be a deal breaker, but you don't need a full remodel to make an impact. New taps, a modern vanity, and a stylish mirror can turn a dated bathroom into a spa-like retreat. Speaking
of smart upgrades, energy efficiency is in high demand. Sealing windows, improving insulation, and installing smart thermostats make homes more comfortable and cost-effective.
And finally, low-maintenance living. Many buyers, especially downsizers, want a home that's easy to manage. Decluttering, adding storage solutions, and choosing durable flooring can make a huge difference.
Whether you're looking to sell or simply enhance your space, these small but powerful upgrades can increase your home's value and affect the right option of buyer for you.
Want to know which improvements will get you the best return? Contact us today. We'd love to help you maximize your home's potential.
And if you found this video and some of our suggestions helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate insights.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.